Hello everybody, back again with some installation project. Today I'm gonna reinstall my LED side markers that I got from Oracle. Hello everybody, back again with some installation project. Today I'm gonna reinstall my LED side markers that I got from Oracle. This side went bad for the first time and I sent it back to Oracle and they repaired it and sent it back to me. So this is the finished product. It is color matched B5 blue LED and they light up pretty good. I have them on all four corners, but the one on this side went bad. Good thing it's pretty straightforward, easy to repair. So I'm gonna do it today and show you how to do it. Let me flip this camera to show you all the way around. So this side has actually gone bad 3 times already. So I've sent it back 3 times, and they've always sent me back a repaired part. The good thing about it is color match, and it's not too bad to get in and out. So let me show you how it looks like. Let's light it up. Right there. It's really nice. It kind of matches all the LED all around the car. Good thing is the backside has not really gone bad at all. This is a more difficult area to replace. So, like I said, I've replaced the front driver's side 3 times. They sent me back a new one or repaired one every single time. And the passenger side only went bad once, but the rears have not gone bad at all. So let's get to it. So the tools you would need is a couple of pry tools, but I couldn't find one, so I'm just going to use a flat head screwdriver. And then you need a smaller star wrench. It's a tight area. You can get your hand in there, but hey, it's not so bad. So there's 3 retaining clips that you need to pop out. 1, 2 right here, and then 3 down here. So 1, 2, 3, I guess, and that one. And you just pull this out and you will have access to 2 of those screws inside that hold this down. So let me show you, get to it. So I removed those retaining clips right there on the ground, and then you just pop out this one, kind of holds in, and you just pop out and you'll be able to access the 2 screws that are in here behind, and it's fairly easy to get to. I don't know if you can see if I get the camera in there, but it's kind of dark in there. But anyways, you'll see it right here, my fingers, another one up top. Obviously you need to turn the steering wheel that way. So I'll get to it and show you later. So for faster removal, let's see the screw right here. Focus right there. It's a star. There's 2 of them, here and here. It's the OEM side marker. I'll just use a compact drill driver. I get it in there and then you know, it's a lot faster if you use this. If you can get it inside. Obviously, if you have a more compact one, it's probably better. This is as compact as I have. And then you just pry this out, and then you put the other one in. Let's show you. Now that I've installed the replacement side marker and you know, plugged it in, before I screw it back in, I usually test it. So let's go test it if it works, because I don't want to install it and it's not working properly. Let's see. Alright, there you go. It works. It's really bright at night, that's why I like it a lot, and it kind of matches all the LEDs around the car. So now all you need to do is install those screws back in, like this one, 2 of them back in place, and then put back the clips. As you can see, if I'm not filming, you can probably do this in maybe less than 10 minutes. So pretty straightforward. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll show you what it looks like at night also. Alright, okay, now that it's a little bit darker, let's check out those side markers. Now you see how bright it is. See, the front is orange, back is red. Laser. See if the camera picks it up. It looks good. It is the one that we just replaced. As you can see how bright it is. Really, really bright. Alright.